This is question 2 on page 124. A water flask contains 1 liter of water. Peter poured out 1/4 liter of water to drink. Mrs. Tay added 4/5 liter of water into the flask. How much water was in the flask in the end? Okay, so for this question, there's a few action that happens in this word problem. So at first, we will draw the pictorial version. Okay, so imagine there's a flask here and it contains 1 liter. So Peter poured out 1/4 liter of water. Now this pouring out means it has been subtracted away. Okay, so this is the first part. Now second part, so there will be some water left. The second part, Mrs. Tay added back, water was poured back, 4/5 liter. When it's added, it's quite clear that you have to add it. So that is the second part. Water was added back into the flask. So let's start now. At the start, there was 1 liter of water. Okay, and Peter poured out 1/4 liter of water. Now remember, 1 whole is the same as 4 out of 4. Okay, we follow the denominator which says there's 4 parts. So you take away 1/4, that will be 3 out of 4. So after Peter poured out the water, 3 out of 4 liter was left. Now second part, Mrs. Tay added 4/5 liter of water back into the flask. So we have 3 out of 4 liter of water and she added 4 out of 5 liter of water back into the flask. So now we need to add the two fractions, but the denominator are different. They are not like fractions. We got to make it like fractions. So let's find out what is a common multiple of 4 and 5. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, so the common multiple of 4 and 5 is 20. So you need to make the denominators the same. The numerators will follow the denominator. Here, if I multiply by 5, the numerator must also multiply by 5. If I multiply the denominator by 4, the numerator must also be multiplied by 4. Okay, so the like fractions will be 15 out of 20 plus 12 out of 20. That will be a total of 37 out of 20. This is an improper fraction, so we need to make it into a mixed number. To do that, we have to divide it. And you will get 1 whole. This is a 1 whole. The remainder is the numerator, 17 out of 20. So how much water was in the flask at the end? There was 17 out of 20 liter of water at the end.